What's up, Go Natural crew? Nina Pop here, coming to you all with another video. Looking all crazy, I know, but I wanted to try this new recipe that I found using tea tree oil. So I'm actually running low on it. I've been using a lot. So last week we talked about using tea tree oil on our face, and at the end of this video I'll leave it here. But today I want to talk about using tea tree oil as a hair moisturizer. Here in Texas it's super just hot, and the humidity is crazy, and my hair stays really dry here no matter what the heck I try. I tried another hair moisturizer that was all natural too, but that's beside the point. You could check that video out as well. But what I learned recently is that you can actually just apply a few drops of tea tree oil to any conditioner or shampoo of your choice. So what I did is, and I'll try to insert that video here in this space right here, but what I did was I got this conditioner and I just put it in a bottle. Now of course you should use a glass bottle because the oils will basically eat through a plastic bottle, but I work with what I have, okay? So I ended up putting conditioner in here, water in here. I added a few drops of this vitamin oil, and then I added 3 drops of the tea tree oil. Now I shook it all up, and then I sprayed it on my hair. And right off the bat, I will say, I can definitely smell the tea tree oil. I actually diffuse tea tree oil, so I'm not really, the smell doesn't bother me, but I wanted to try it to see it as a moisturizer. Ooh. I do like that you see how my hair is like breaking off. I do like that the comb slides right through, which I'm sure it would do with any oil. However, I'm gonna see how it does throughout. Give me a little curl there, I see. I'm gonna see how it does throughout the day because I'm about to go out and do some orders. So I'll see how it do throughout the day, and then I'll come back and let you all know. But as of right now, it's very moist, of course, but let's see what happens when it dry. Let's see if it makes a difference. And I'll also update you all on Instagram too. But so far, I am liking it that I can put my hands through it. So if you're looking for a quick moisturizer and you don't really want to spend a lot of money, just order some tea tree oil and drop a few drops in your conditioner or your shampoo. So as I was rewatching the video so I could see what parts I needed to edit, one thing I didn't realize that I had pointed out was that you want to also make sure, regardless of where you get the tea tree oil, even if you don't get it from me, if you get it from a store, make sure it's 100% pure, because if it's not pure, then it's probably gonna lack the properties that can add moisture and things like that, so it's not going to work on you. But you want to make sure that the oil is 100% pure, and that way you can get all the benefits of it. So make sure that's the case. Right now I'm just twisting my hair because I'm about to put it in a puff. This is like my signature hairstyle because it's the easiest, quickest thing that I can do. But Got a little unwanted bump, so why not use the tea tree oil with the coconut oil to get rid of that? This is the finished look. Finished. I like it. Let's add some earrings. But with that being said, I hope this video helps someone, and definitely consider thumbsing this video up and subscribing. And while you at it, watch this video right here. Bye, y'all.